Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Chainlink, its valuations against Bitcoin, looking at the bounce that we've had at about 0.00003949 Bitcoin. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, last week, Chainlink had a pretty good week. It went up 13.19%. Today, or this week, it's up 2.87%, retracing about 6.84% for today. Um, Now, I'm sure a lot of people are excited. Chainlink went up to like $34 this week, so this was pretty cool to see. However, I'm skeptical at best. Yes, I do want to see Chainlink go up. I know I do believe it will go up. But is the question now? Is it going to be now? That is hard to say. With Bitcoin fighting against the prior all-time high, if Bitcoin decides to break its prior all-time high and continue on, um, into price discovery mode, if you want to call it that, then Chainlink's going to have a very hard time keeping up with Bitcoin. At the same time, Bitcoin would need to drop its volatility. Volatility would need to drop. Um, in order for altcoins to do very well. And that would be kind of the best case scenario for Bitcoin right now. If it retraces a bit, kind of, and it starts moving sideways, maybe just below the prior all-time high, we might see some good news from Chainlink at that point. Another thing you can, keep in mind is that we've now had some kind of a form of a double bottom, right? We haven't been, this low since the initial crash of Chainlink back in the year, the year's end of 2020. We have not been at this low. So you can argue this is a double bottom. This is bullish. Chainlink is going to start to trend up. Um, so that is true. Like, we can take into account that there is a double bottom. However, what we would like to see is a higher high, a higher low, and start to see the trend starting to reverse. Because right now the trend is still down, macro down. Um, what we would like to see is these a low, a higher, a high, a higher low, a higher high, etc., etc. Um, you know, making macro trends look good, start to go up, and that's essentially what we would need Chainlink to start doing. We're not going to see that trend reversal over 2 weeks. It's going to span over months. Um, so with that said, um, currently right now it's just a tumultuous time for Bitcoin being fighting against its prior all-time high. Chainlink is going to struggle until we get some kind of footing for Bitcoin um, to allow all coins to start moving. And you can see this as well against Ethereum. Its Chainlink has broken the bottom. We have rallied, but we have yet to come back to where we were fighting against this line for weeks, or months, you could say. So, with that said, it looks like Chainlink will continue to struggle until Chainlink's able to get a above the 20-week moving averages on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Um, and until that time, Chainlink is on the back burner. This doesn't mean that I'm not bullish on Chainlink. It's just that right now my focus is on Bitcoin, um, and some other altcoins. I mean, like Aave is doing the same thing. It's bouncing pretty hard, but ultimately the focus is on Bitcoin. We need to know what Bitcoin's going to do. Is volatility going to drop? If it does, then Chainlink should start to do well. We should start getting some kind of response from Chainlink. But until then, it's just a wait and see for me. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.